Hi everybody, and welcome to today's padlock demonstration, my first padlock demonstration, provided by dieselducy. Today's padlock is a street letterbox from 1950s, United States motor vehicle. This lock is brass with a bronze chain, and the key is it's a unique key. Not like ordinary locks, you put it in to twist. This lock is a push key. You simply, first, you just, it's simple as pushing it in like this, and it opens the shackle. This is not a spring shackle, it's a grab shackle. Make sure the words are pointing towards this way. When you're looking at the word, it says street letterbox. Just push it and it opens the shackle. Older padlocks, the street letterbox used to use spring shackle, but springs would get worn out. Now let's look at it from this angle. And there it comes. How about this viewpoint? Push it in. And you push this in. Whoop, hold on. Watch. 1950s antique lock. It springs back the locking mechanism. See, this will only go one way because of these things. The grooves. Let's find never mind. We'll just use this. Put in the key. We're gonna push this, the locking mechanism, so you can watch it spring open. See? When you put the key in, it comes out. I don't know if you saw that or not. Ready? We'll do the viewpoints one more time. The front, the left side, and the right side, the left side, hold on, it didn't work, one more time, there it goes, and the key viewpoint. Opens up. Put the key in and watch this. That's it. Bye.